Hiya. I've just come into the living room from my phone and she's followed me, but she was in the back kitchen hounding me to let her out, and I won't let her out because the birds are out there feeding. Lucy, she's sulking with me now. You proper sulking, hey? The birds have got to eat as well. So you see, I'm in the kitchen sorting my mum and dad's flowers out. And I could hear this meow, meow, meow behind me. It's Lucy. But as you can see, there's food up there. The starlings were there before. Where am I? Can't see where I'm showing you there. It's out the window anyway, but the starlings were there as well. And she probably senses it. It's gone up there now. With the latest news next. Amazon offer employees up to £8,000 towards training and career growth. Like Daniel. He's now a trained software developer, and to him, the gentle tap is a reminder of how much his life has changed. In 2 years, he's gone from warehouse employee to working his dream job. And even his son says his coding skills aren't bad. So yeah, you can see why I'm not letting Lucy out at the moment. She's probably gone upstairs now to sulk. I'll get her back on in a minute anyway. Right, there's my mum and dad's flowers done. Can you hear Lucy? Can you hear her? What? Listen, baby, you can't, you can't go out yet. Yeah. I know, but the birds have got to eat their food as well. I told you that before, like she understands. Lucy? Liz, are you okay? Right, they're still out there, so I can't let her out yet. She can go out the front. But I think she knows the birds are outside. No, I can't let you out, baby, not yet. Another 5 minutes. They've been out there a while now, so another 5 minutes won't harm you. Lucy, are you okay? Right, there they are now. Mum and Dad's roses and carnations. I always feel better when I've got fresher flowers there, because the carnations that were there, I mean, they lasted forever. They were there for ages. But I like to get fresh flowers regularly. Aren't they beautiful? Look at the colours. So, as you saw, I bought 2 separate bunches, and then I mixed the colours myself. Love my mum and dad's memorial. Keeps the memory alive. Not that they're ever going to be forgotten. It's beautiful, isn't it? Lucy did follow me, but she's gone back out now into the back room. I think I'll go and find her. Oh, there she is. Do you want to go out the front way, Luce? You can go out the front, no problem. Lucy? Luce? She's not even talking to me now. Do you want to go out? Here you go. It's not that I wouldn't let you out, Luce, but the birds have got to eat. I need to change her water there. On cue, she heard me. You having a drink, Luce? Lucy having a drink of water? Good girl. She's thirsty. I always make sure there's water in the front and in the back for her. And in the summer I always put a little bowl outside the gate for any passing animals that need a drink. Is that nice, Luce? Is that nice? You have your water? Oh, she is thirsty.
It's good to always have fresh water. So even if she's out and we're all out, I know she's always got water. Haven't you, Luce? Hey? It's another gorgeous day, sun shining. And it's warm again, which is great. You had enough now, hey? Oh, bless. Hello, you playing now? She's in a good mood now. Because she's out. She loves being out. Right, I'm going to go back in now, I think. I'll just see if I can get her facing me if I go around the other side of her. Hello, Lucy. Lucy? Lucy? Hello. She's a happy cat. She's content, aren't you, Luce? Right, I'm going to go in now, I think. Let's see if the birds have finished eating. See you later, Luce. She's happy out here. Right, the birds have gone now. Plenty of food there for them. And I'm going to put more in this little bowl, this little dish here. Have you seen this? I actually watched through the window one of the starlings, like the seed and that had fell down the nuts, and it actually knocked it off deliberately. I don't know about that one, but I definitely saw this shell get knocked off. Obviously from that side. Oh God, they've been busy. Oh my God. I think they've been tormented, to be honest. Tormented Lucy. Oh, there's another shell. Because let's off that one. Oops, God, broken shells. Oops. Wasn't meant to chuck that in like that. It's alright, it didn't break. Yeah, they seem to be bombarding. It's all over the table and chair. Oh, a lot of cleaning to do. Never mind. What's that? What's that? I have no idea. Right. Let's see if I can get Lucy back on to finish this off. Got the washing on the line. Okay. I checked my washing. It's alright. I thought maybe there was bird poo all over it, but there isn't. Hello, you coming in? Do you want to come in, Liz? She'll answer me in a minute. Lucy? Do you want to come in? Lucy, want to come in? No? Right, I'll finish off Lucy anyway. Can't speak. Finish off on Lucy. Thanks for watching. You go out the back now, Luce. Hello. Right, I'm going to go now. Finish on Lucy now, definitely. Thanks for watching. Oh, that went bright then, didn't it? Well, what happened then? Oh, I don't know what happened. Definitely it's gone really bright. The sun's just come out of the cloud. Maybe that's it. But it shouldn't be like that. Thanks for watching. See ya.